you don't have to open a school to make somebody learn. What you have to do is just ignite a spark. All the skills that I've learned through my businesses,
have shown up for you.
Yep.
I think failures are more in number and they teach you more and don't get talked about enough.
You can only fail if you're doing something, right? At the end of the day, if you're not doing anything, you're never going to fail in life. You're in a nice, safe spot and you're going to die boring. Something has value only when you put value to it. I feel emotionally I've become more stable as a person because I'm able to take care of my finances. I'm able to take control.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy Hour with Fin Cocktail. Now a lot of you are watching these but not subscribing. Guys, can you please help a girl out and hit that subscribe button? Okay, now our guest today is very, very special. She believes in adding magic to our everyday life. She's every child's dream come true. She's the founder of India's largest DIY kit maker, which is called Kitsters. And this is Nidhi Agarwal. Welcome to the show.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm so happy to be here.
I love your vision to add magic to our lives. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए यार?
I know, right? Like people ask me, "Acha, what is your purpose of life?"
हाँ.
Right? Like सब सारे founders को ये question पूछा जाता है.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yeah, I want to be that person who brings fun into your life, who brings magic to your life. And
I'm
that's
sold.
Yeah, that's my purpose of life, to bring fun into this world.
Who wouldn't want to be you? Yeah, this is incredible. I love it. I love your purpose.
Thank you.
But I want to backtrack a little bit. I
Mhm.
have heard that you practically grew up in a school.
I did. Yes, I was there.
Tell us about that.
My parents, they started a school back in 2000s, like literally like 2000, the year 2000, 1999. And they started it in my house, literally.
Inside your house?
Inside
Like,
my
matlab-
house, yeah. Like, so there was this huge lawn that we used to have. We used to live in like this little bungalow in Nasik.
Oh my god.
And there was this massive lawn there. And in the lawn, there was this small shed. That's where the school started. So
it's like Google was started at like, you know, their garage. Aisa.
yeah, like literally like that. Like lawn के उधर एक shed था, उसमें school था. And वो school के बाजू में I was born. Not like Jesus, but yeah, I was there. So I have seen my parents, right, grow that school from that
Yeah.
little tiny shed to
Uh-huh.
3 massive campuses today.
Mhm.
So all the time, the dinner conversations, lunch conversations were school, education, curriculums, type of learning, and anything and everything about learning and education, right, at the end of the
Wow.
day.
Hmm.
And that's literally how I grew up, learning about learning.
Learning about learning.
Yeah.
So
And
you
how-
were, मतलब there was no option only ना आपके लिए तो यही है future.
बस यही था at the end of the day. But I feel that I look at education in a very different way.
Mm-hmm.
Right? अभी education मेरे लिए कोई curriculum नहीं है. Education
Yeah.
मेरे लिए 4 दीवारें नहीं है.
The dream. I'm telling you, the dream.
To be able to educate yourself is to be able to learn something new. To be able to learn something new needs some kind of an excitement, some kind of a spark.
Mm-hmm.
राइट एक बार वो स्पार्क आप में आ गया, कुछ एक नई चीज देख ली, समझ ली, अपने आप यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, अपने आप यू वांट टू स्टार्ट डूइंग मोर. एंड आई फेल्ट दैट being born in a school gave me that insight into a human mind, that is, you don't have to open a school to make somebody learn. What you have to do is just ignite a spark.
That's incredible. That's such a fresh way to look at it. Not a lot of people do because everybody associates education with just like books and like going to school, or education has a certain I think negative connotation on a lot of levels because people didn't have great experiences in school. They, you know, a lot of people don't conform to the same way how everybody learns.
Correct.
And then वो छड़ी पड़ती है
Yeah.
or like, you know, it's like, oh, like 16 hours of studying or whatever. Then
Correct.
education becomes very, एक तो limiting, and then they associate it with negativity. It's like पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है यार, और it's like you reach that stage in life. But
Correct.
I think पढ़ाई and education, you're right, are two very different things.
Yeah. I also feel that that is actually one of the reasons why I started Booker Workshop, and that is also one of the reasons why I stopped Booker Workshop.
Okay.
So Kidsters, which
Mhm.
is, you know, the fun brand today,
Yeah.
was actually called Booker Workshop, and that's how we
Ah.
started in the year 2020 in June.
Okay.
And we were all about learning, right?
Yeah.
So because since I was born into a school, that's all I knew my whole life, and I wanted to create an extension of it.
Mhm.
But हमारा जो learning system है, and I'm not only talking about India, I'm talking about the world.
Mhm.
The way the education system was designed in the first place was to create more factory workers.
Correct. Like you
Right?
churn them
Correct.
out.
So if you see that there is, just like how a manager stands and there are workers sitting and, you know, doing everything,
Yeah.
similarly a teacher stands at a
And-
podium and all
and
the kids are
everybody
sitting in a
sits-
line,
Yeah.
right, listening to the teachers. It's a very one-way conversation that
Hmm.
happens usually in most schools around the world.
Correct.
Now, education and learning was never a choice that was given to any of us.
हाँ ऐसा थोड़ी है like do
Correct.
you want to go to school? Hello, what do you
हाँ.
mean? That's not an option.
Forget going to school, आप जब स्कूल जाते भी हो, you're never
हाँ.
getting an option के अच्छा बेटा आज मैथ पढ़ोगे या साइंस पढ़ोगे या आज आपको क्या करना है.
You are given a timetable. You have to be
Exactly.
here at this hour.
Correct. It's all mental conditioning that's been
Yeah.
happening to us for thousands of years now.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the mental conditioning I came from.
Mhm.
But that is what Booker Workshop wanted to do. It wanted to give you an option to
Mhm.
learn.
Hmm.
So when Booker Workshop started, we had hundreds of different experts from around the world choosing to teach you something that they've learned through their real life interactions and experiences.
Mhm.
So that you could click one button, and through the click of one button, you had a choice to learn from the best
Wow.
from anywhere and everywhere. But then we tanked very badly.
How come?
क्योंकि कोविड खत्म हो गया,
Of course.
किसी को घर में नहीं बैठना था,
किसी को पढ़ाई नहीं किसी को वर्कशॉप नहीं करना है.
हाँ हो गया यार, बस हो गया यार, कितना सुने, कितना टीवी देखे, कितना वो कंप्यूटर को देखे. So that's when I realized that learning is not something that we do innately. Like educating ourselves actually is not something that we do innately.
Yeah.
Learning is something that we've been doing since the time of Stone Age.
Yeah.
All it needs is a spark. So I
Very
said
interesting.
कि यार learning क्यों बेचे ना, अगर किसी को
Correct.
पढ़ाई नहीं करनी तो
नहीं
क्यों
करें, तो
पढ़ाई
नहीं-
बेचे.
हाँ नहीं बेचते हैं.
Let's just sell fun. सबको मजा तो करना है.
That is true.
Learning becomes a byproduct.
Very interesting.
So today,
Hmm.
when I send you a sushi kit,
Hmm.
right? So you get a kit, you get everything you need,
Hmm.
right? You're not waiting. So बहुत बार क्या होता है कि हम कुछ अगर कोई चीज़ सीखना चाहते हैं, there's always like those things that happen कि अरे checklist हो जाती है अपने दिमाग में.
Hmm.
Where do we go? Who do we go to? सामान कहाँ से आएगा? कैसे करेंगे? Who
Yeah,
is
it's
the
a
right
lot of stress
person?
behind that.
हाँ, हम हमारे पूरे वर्क लाइफ में कब वो टाइम निकाले कि हम वो जाएं, करें, बातचीत करें, रिसर्च करें, ये सारे यूट्यूब वीडियो देखें, कहाँ से ऑर्डर करें, क्या ऑर्डर करें. This is too many questions and it's too stressful, and we're like, you know what?
Let it be.
Pretty much, right?
Yeah.
So what we want to do is get rid of the procrastination
Mhm.
altogether. Like भाई तुमको सब कुछ एक डब्बे में मिलेगा,
तू बस कर.
तू कर, तेरे टाइम पे कर, तेरे हिसाब से कर, जब करना है कर.
हाँ.
Now today when you get that sushi box, you have everything you need. You have a video by an expert teaching you ये वो सब कुछ.
I'll to do babba.
अभी एक बार आपने sushi बना ली,
Hmm.
high possibility you may or may not make it again.
Yeah.
But now what's
मजा है.
happened is you've opened yourself to new experiences.
Yeah.
अगर मैंने ये कर लिया तो मैं और क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ, मैं और क्या क्या सीख सकती हूँ. So what we're trying to do is not only obviously make you have fun at the end of the day.
That's the aim, guys.
yeah.
That's the magic.
We just want to teach the man how to fish
Yeah.
instead of giving him the fish every day.
Yeah.
So today, if you're open to newer experiences, you'll do more, learn more, experience more,
Mhm.
live a fuller life,
Yeah.
and feel more accomplished as a human being.
Wow. This is like spirituality now. We've literally
Inception
reached
है.
there.
Like layers and layers and layers and layers.
Leo
सबको
would
लगता
be
है
very
डब्बा ही
proud.
तो है और क्या है.
उन्हें नहीं पता डब्बे के अंदर
Layers
क्या
and
क्या है.
layers and layers.
Oh damn. And but you came from so obviously education was your upbringing,
हाँ जी,
but then आपने mass media किया था.
हाँ जी.
उसके बाद you became a serial entrepreneur. Please explain.
I used to envy the people
हाँ.
who knew what they wanted to do with their life.
अरे
Especially
So I'm not kidding. I'll tell you my story also. कभी मेरे भी story सुन लो यार.
नहीं, definitely. But क्या होता है कि let's say growing up, again not boasting, but I could dance, I could sing, I could make art, I
So
could
many
write,
things.
I could do a lot of different things, right? तो क्या होता है फिर आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे options खुल जाते हैं
Correct.
कि अरे ये भी तो कर सकते हैं, वो भी तो
The
कर सकते
options
हैं.
are too many. Spoiled for
Many.
choice.
Yeah. So I feel like one big advantage that I got
Mhm.
was very, very supportive parents. Because they were like, ठीक है बेटा करो,
जो जी में आए कर.
करो. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा भी ओपन नहीं थे. Because I remember
I'd like to hear the backstory of that.
I remember two major conversations that I had about this with my mother. My
Uh-huh.
mother especially, because my father was always like, you know, करो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, देख लेंगे, देखी जाएगी.
Figure out.
Punjabi fathers, you know how it is.
No.
They'll be like, daughter तो यानी जो करना है बेटा, तुम बस करो, हम हैं. And my mother was always like, you know, she needed a direction. कि अच्छा ये है,
तो
then she will
this is
support you with
happening.
whatever.
हाँ,
But
but
उनको चाहिए कि ये चाहिए. So since the time I was like in 3rd standard, 4th standard, because they were always building schools and there was so much interaction about architecture also, right, in the house, because building hai, banni hai, 10 saal, 15 saal, you know, those things, a lot of conversations. So there used to be this architect who would come home since I was a baby, and I've seen him and I'm like, अच्छा ये तो बढ़िया है, drawing बनाओ, सोचो, building बन जाती है, मुझे भी architect बनना है. Yeah.
imagining one घर and you know the mountains.
मैं वो 3rd standard में drawings बना के लाती थी, and he's a very senior architect from Bombay. I used to get it to him and I used to show him my drawing. I'm like, अंकल मैं भी एक दिन आर्किटेक्ट बन जाऊंगी ना. He's like, हाँ हाँ बेटा,
Of course.
बहुत बढ़िया, तुम तो एकदम आर्किटेक्ट बनोगी. तो मैंने भी बोला हाँ ठीक है,
हम तो
मैं
बनेंगे.
भी आर्किटेक्ट बनूंगी. So since 3rd 4th standard I'm like चलो आर्किटेक्चर करना है, right? सब क्लियर हो गया, 12th स्टैंडर्ड बढ़िया मार्क्स आ गए, वो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम क्लियर हो गए. आई गॉट इनटू एनएम आल्सो, एंड we had this so before, you know, everything started, my mom was like, acha, the senior architect is coming back to Nasik for the new project, why don't you meet him for lunch? And we were having lunch with him. So I'm this person who will ask you like a million questions always, like could be weird also, but very very a lot of questions always. So I asked him like 3 questions which actually changed my life that day.
Okay.
I asked him, so uncle, I love what you do and I'm going to be an architect too, just like you, how we decided. So when will I start, you know, making my own designs? It's like, beta abhi 5 saal ka architecture, फिर 3 साल की इंटर्नशिप, फिर 2 साल तुमको जूनियर आर्किटेक्ट बनना पड़ेगा, फिर एक और साल मास्टर्स करना पड़ेगा, ये वो कर आके टिल द टाइम यू 30, तब तक तो तुम थोड़ा थोड़ा बना चालू कर दोगे, इफ यू नो जॉइन अ गुड फर्म एंड स्टफ. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके 30,
मतलब
मेरे
10
दिमाग
साल
में
तब
मैच चालू हो गया. हाँ तब 10
हाँ, about 10 साल. हाँ,
I was 18, right?
ओ सब 12 साल,
हाँ.
whatever. हाँ,
So 12 साल. I'm like, अच्छा 12 साल लगेंगे. And I'm like, okay, when can I start my own company? Because at the end of the day,
20 साल.
बेटा 35 तक तो मिनिमम आपको एक्सपीरियंस लगेगा, कोई वरना आपको भाव नहीं
भाव ही नहीं दे. Exactly. कोई आपके पास आएगा क्यों? क्योंकि ये है कौन ड्राइंग बनाने वाली.
मैं बोला, that's when I realized that at the end of the day, architecture was supposed to be my product. करना तो मैंने business था.
देखो.
Like मैं 15 साल 20 साल क्यों रुकूं मेरा खुद का business चालू करने के लिए.
Correct.
So I dropped the idea right then, and I showed him my pictures. I showed him some films I'd made, some ad films. They had time pass. And he's like, तुमने तो ये करना चाहिए.
वाह.
I looked at my mom. My mom looked at me. As soon as the lunch was over, I'm like, Mom, I'm not doing architecture anymore.
बस हो गया उधर ही फाइनल.
I still remember I was sitting in her office. She's like, I will disown you.
Oh, poor
You
thing.
will-
Oh, God.
It was a mad thing. She almost faked a heart attack to get me back into college, but I'm like,
Emotional
nope.
blackmail.
Yeah,
This
and
drama.
that evening I actually made my first pitch
Really?
pitch deck ever.
Really?
Yeah, and that was to my mom. So I wrote down the pros and cons of
Oh,
myself.
this is cool, huh? Like you pitched to your mom first.
Yeah.
Acha.
I was like, Mom, this is me as a person.
हाँ.
These are my qualities.
हाँ.
This is my patience level. This is what I like to do. And this is what an architect does. This is what architecture needs. I don't think I'm the right fit here.
Product market fit. Damn.
And then I'm like, Mom, from my research, I feel that these are the places that I will be the right fit, and BMM should be the right degree right here.
Wow. Wow. नजर उतारो कोई इसकी.
So,
18-year-old you.
Yeah, 18-year-old me did a
pretty
complete
badass.
presentation, like a full PPT for my mother.
That's pretty badass.
Yeah, I think so too. And the best part is that pitch worked.
Ah,
And she
she
was on
agrees.
board. She was on board the right, like, that minute. I think
That's so
that's
sweet.
50% me and 50% her,
That's
because
so
she's a great
sweet.
mother that way. But
Yeah, like
she
no
did.
props
Yeah.
from her, please.
So I feel like serial entrepreneurship came to me in two ways.
Mhm.
One is because two of my qualities. One is I love exploring new things. I get very excited about something and I jump right to execution.
That's so important.
Yeah, and the second quality is I know exactly when something's not working and something's not fitting well,
And you.
and I snap out of it. And I'm
ये
like, this
तो
is not
मतलब guys,
happening.
this is every investor's dream sitting right here. But it's so underrated, right? This skill where you're talking about entrepreneurship, and a lot of people say that, oh, you have to have a unique idea, you have to solve a problem, you have to do this, you have to do that. But I think the bigger skill is execution, because there are a
Yeah.
lot of people with ideas in their head, a lot of people who are trying to get things done,
Correct.
but actually doing them is the only way you learn and the only way you get better at it.
100%.
And only way you actually build that business, right? Because
Totally.
how many ever business plans you make, how many ever surveys you do, how much ever you research, the business is not going to get built unless you execute. चुपचाप execute करो.
Exactly. आप वो perfect product के लिए रुके रहोगे,
कभी नहीं होगा.
वो होने कभी बनने ही नहीं वाला है.
Exactly.
That perfect product does not exist. So I feel like जितना जल्दी आप product निकालो, उतना जल्दी you'll get to know what is working, what's not working. The faster you can keep improving
Yeah.
and get to that whatever perfect idea of the product that you
See.
have in mind. वरना नहीं होने वाला है.
Exactly.
It's just not going to happen.
उसे perfect बनाना पड़ता है धीरे धीरे.
Yeah.
जैसे तुम मतलब आइंस्टाइन की औलाद थोड़ी हो.
Exactly. Einstein को भी तो कितने tries लगे थे.
Exactly.
There is nothing perfect that you find in the first go.
See, I love it. So then you went into mass media.
हाँ जी, I went into mass media. Mass media भी इतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, honestly.
Low. Guys.
I just feel like I loved it, but it wasn't challenging me enough, you know. Like, I think I was just that extremely hyper kid
Yeah.
that needed to be put to work at least 16 hours a day.
हाँ,
Somehow.
हाँ.
You know, कुछ भी करके इसको engage कर दो. Like, my mother's had that problem with me since day one of my life.
क्या
She's had
करवाऊँ
to-
अब इससे?
हाँ, like, every day, like, I'm not even kidding when I say this, even when I was a child, right? She would find the randomest things in my bedroom. She would find these random boxes from somewhere, and I was like sitting and doing something with it. There was this one day we got this new fridge in the house,
हाँ.
and she still remembers वो fridge which dismantled, like nikala
हाँ.
from the big box, and the box went missing
Because
she
you
was-
had the box.
because I had the box, and I made a dukaan out of it.
बड़े creative हो यार.
I
I thought you
literally-
sat in the box because I used to do that. I used to just sit in boxes.
मैं उसको काट कूट के उसका like I created like this little window which would like drop down like
That's
this.
so cool.
And there was like stuff there. And I created my little lemonade stall. And I was out there selling lemonade in my garden.
Oh damn.
And my mom would send like her drivers with 5 rupees to come buy the lemonade from me.
Yeah, matlab you have to be your biggest fan first, no?
Exactly. I was so confident. मेरे को तो customers आ रहे हैं, मैंने तो दुकान बना ली अपनी. But so I think while doing mass media, one thing that really did me good is I did a lot of other things along with mass media, since that was only like 3 hours a day anyway
Yeah.
in the morning. So I did acting. I did performing arts. I made like a lot of ad films. I was
Oh, wow.
in New York for about 6 months studying at Sotheby's.
No. Nice.
So that really exposed
When were
me.
you at Sotheby's?
I was studying business in the art world.
Ah, fun.
It's a brilliant course
Yeah.
for anybody wanting to explore more about, you know, how
Exactly,
art
the art
functions in the
world
world.
works. Yeah.
And I feel all of that today, like all those skills that I've built, have come back to me in so many ways. I also got exposed to filmmaking, photography. I did like a diploma in that as well.
Yeah.
So today, with whatever businesses I've run over time, everything has helped me. Like even today, we were able to, like in our kits, we actually, each kit has a video tutorial. So you scan the QR code. There's a proper, like, good-looking video that's right there.
Nice.
And we were able to produce it for 1/10 the price that usually people, do that at.
Because you already have access
Yeah.
to all your skills.
Because I know कि इसका इतना लगेगा, उसका इतना लगेगा, इसको ऐसे लगा दो, ये दो कैमरा ऐसे सेटअप कर लो, and it's done.
Yeah.
Right? So all the skills that I've learned through my businesses,
have shown up for you.
Yep. And I feel that people don't get.
Yeah.
कि आप जो 100 चीजें ट्राई करते हो
तभी
हाँ तो उसमें आपको 2 चीजें समझ आती हैं.
Correct.
One is what you don't want to do in life,
oh yes.
which is so big, a learning that nobody understands.
Yeah.
Something that you will not do, something that you don't like. And the second thing is something that you actually do like. And through both of these, you learn skills to be able to negotiate with anybody, anything, and understand anything on this
Correct.
planet,
Correct.
even though you have no mastery in it.
Absolutely. This is very funny, but it's like almost like a deja vu, because my life also kind of went down a similar path. Extremely supportive parents, had no idea what I wanted to do. Was in a very very good high school. All these people around me, they're like, हाँ मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है. They were very clear, and I was just sitting being like, हाँ भाई, very good, na, you do. I don't know what to do. करते करते then I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, then what to do. My mom was the only, she's like, what do you want to do? I said, I have no idea. She's like, अच्छा ठीक है, then do everything. She's like, figure it out. सब कुछ करेगी तभी तो पता चलेगा क्या अच्छा लगता है. I did my bachelor's with 2 majors because
Wow.
पता नहीं था फाइनेंस करना है, मार्केटिंग करना है, दोनों कर लिया. फिर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में जॉब कर लिया, फिर डेट डेस्क पे फाइनेंस में एनालिस्ट बन गई. एंड पीपल आर लाइक, व्हाट इज योर प्रिफर्ड प्रोफेशन टुडे? लाइक पता नहीं चल रहा था लोगों को कि बहन क्या कर रही है. बट इवेंचुअली देन स्टार्टेड फिगरिंग आउट, राइट, दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई लाइक, दिस इज व्हाट आई डोंट like. And then when I started FinCocktail, all those skills have come back to me, right? It's
Correct.
the same. It's the amalgamation of marketing and finance that we're trying to solve here.
Essentially.
Anyway, sorry, that was a little aside from me. But you started Book a Workshop before, and then that transformed into Kidster.
हाँ जी.
So this happened in the lockdown.
So 2020, June 2020 is when we started Book a Workshop.
Huh.
And Kidsters happened last August.
Okay. So what do you
August
do at
2020.
Kidster exactly? Tell everybody who's listening.
Honestly, we're just having so much fun at work all day long.
I'm going to title this podcast Majja, because
yeah.
that is what we are selling.
Majjani life.
Majjani life.
So, if I have to really boil it down
Uh-huh.
to like the most simplified version of what we do,
Mhm.
is we sell DIY kits, right?
Yes.
Now, breaking down a DIY kit, it's literally an activity kit that has
Uh-huh.
everything you need on this planet
Huh.
in the kit,
Hmm.
with a QR code to the video, that teaches
Mhm.
you exactly what to do and
Mhm.
stuff. And we've got 100 different options
Mhm.
for you to choose from. So everything from art and craft to alcobev, food, lifestyle, gardening,
सब कुछ.
सब कुछ.
So कुछ भी पसंद है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाएगा.
हाँ. और नया नया चीजें ट्राई करते रहो ना.
Yeah.
आज गार्डनिंग करा, कल कुछ
कुछ
खाना
और
बना
करो.
लो, कल कुछ आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट ट्राई कर लो, कल परसों कुछ होम डेकोर बना लो.
That's very cool.
The idea is not to have like what we're trying to do is not push के DIY खरीदो, DIY करो.
Hmm.
We're like मजा करो लाइफ में. और मजा कैसे करोगे?
Best है यार ये.
किट खरीदो यार.
Yeah.
सब कुछ है उसमें. सब मिल जाता है घर पे बैठे बैठे.
And this is for all age groups.
Everything.
So,
But who we're majorly targeting is
Mhm.
young adults.
Mhm.
So people like you and me
Yeah.
who have really stressful lives, or
Mhm.
who have a very packed life.
Correct.
Right? And who don't have too many options. Like आज अगर आपको, what is your definition of fun?
I've had this conversation, like, I'm not even lying, just about 2 days ago. But I'm like, guys, I literally told my group of friends, I'm like, guys, we need to find something to do
Exactly.
other than going to dinner and drink. And like, I can't. In Bombay, the only thing I do is sit in traffic and reach my dinner, and then sit in traffic and reach home.
That's my sales pitch right there.
है ना?
Literally. I'm like, देखो यार, there is a certain limit to the conversations that you can have.
Exactly.
There is a certain limit to the drinks that you can have.
That's
there
debatable, but okay.
Oh yeah, that's true. But, yeah. But I feel like conversations, especially when we figured out how young adults function, I feel,
Correct.
on some level, right?
Yeah.
We figured out a kind of lifestyle that young adults want these days, and something that they're living.
Yeah.
And there is a big switch that's happened in the past 6
Mhm.
years that we've noticed. And I think I've noticed this recently, but I know that it's happened in the last 6 years,
Mhm.
is that people have a lot of disposable income now as compared to what they used to have 6 years ago. They have they have lesser time
Yes.
as they used to 6 years ago,
Yes. Oh God.
and they are more they're moving from more the commodities
Mhm.
to experiences,
Yes,
or
100%.
commodities that give them an experience.
Correct. It's not just about that thing or that luxury bag or shoe or whatever.
Exactly.
It's that trip or that experience or like that curated dinner or
Correct.
something that gives you something more in life.
Exactly. So today, with the money that
Mm.
young adults have, the extra disposable income that they
Mhm.
have, they're also very aware
Yeah.
of what's happening around them.
Yeah.
Right? They're also very experience centric. So today, when I buy a pot,
Hmm.
I could buy a mug.
Yeah.
Right? That mug needs to be something, do something, needs to
Quickly.
stand for something. Exactly. Needs to mean something.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true.
It's just not a mug anymore.
That's true.
So I feel like people in this space,
Mm.
right, have very few options, but they have an innate want to do something,
Yeah.
right? So today we've seen so many of these stories where people buy these kits and come back to us with what they did with the kit, because that's very exciting,
Yeah.
right? Because it's just not something, it's not saman in a box which people
Huh.
think it is.
Huh.
It's so much more. It's an opportunity.
Yeah.
Like this one time, I remember when we were like slightly smaller, and I used to handle like these DMs and query, all these
comments and DMs on Instagram.
the website has that chat feature.
Oh yeah.
And so there was
Don't tell me
nobody-
directly connected to your WhatsApp.
No, it's
Oh,
not. But
thank
it's
God.
it's on the chat only. But
Huh.
I used to man it like from whenever
Huh.
I was,
Huh.
especially at night, because so before we had like a team doing it and stuff. So there was this one couple who texted at about 1 a.m. It had some question about the box,
Hmm.
but they were sitting and making the perfume kit together.
Mhm.
So they were actually making their own perfumes at 1 a.m. because that's when they had the time to sit down and spend some time with each other.
Together. That's
Yeah.
so sweet.
Like this one couple came back to us. The one girl actually, she came back to us and she's like, I have been with my partner
Mm.
for over 12 years
Mm.
and we're not even 40. Right? So we are always constantly looking to do more exciting things
Yeah.
and stuff like that. And we'd slipped into a very Netflix and relax, not even chill.
No chill, guys. There's no chill there.
There's a Netflix and relax situation now.
Netflix and
Um,
snore situation.
Oh, totally. So she was like, I thought I knew everything about my husband, right? Since we've been together for 12 years.
Yeah.
But we got this kit, and suddenly I got to know that he's so much more artistic than I am.
Oh damn.
And he's so
Discovering new things.
Yeah. And he's so much more open to, new experiences and
Yeah.
trying new things and experimenting more than I am.
Yeah.
And so these are the kind of things, that people come back to us and tell us. So we got this one lady, in
Mhm.
fact, her parents live in Australia. She travels all over the world. She's lived all over the world. And she works in AI.
Mhm.
So now for her to explain to her parents what she does is like a whole different trip. ठीक है? And then for her parents also to have conversations with her, क्या ही बात करेंगे?
Correct.
अपने relatives के बारे में बात करते हैं, same stories, same things to talk about. So, I mean, even though you love your parents, there is a big generational gap, right? There's
Yeah.
a big disconnect that you start feeling. And
Yeah.
so every time you go back home, you want to meet them, you want to love them.
Yeah.
But आप क्या बात करोगे?
That is
because
yeah.
If you like really have to look at human interaction, right? It's
Yeah.
conversations.
Yeah, of course.
That's what makes you connect to the other person.
Yeah.
So what she did is this time she took some kits, right, to her parents' house.
Fun.
And she made the parents sit down, and they every night they would do something cool together.
That's very cute. Yeah.
So that just opened up so much for them.
Yeah.
Because finally, like, they didn't have to have a conversation, but they were having a conversation.
And they were doing something together after so long.
Correct.
Because usually you don't like, when you're little, maybe you do puzzles or something like that. But after that, ab kya hi, matlab, there's no activity that you do together otherwise.
Exactly.
That's so cute.
So it just opened up like a whole different
Yeah.
thing for her, because she was like, "Acha, to ye bhi kar sakte hain, right?"
Huh.
So then she took them for these wine tours. She took them
Ooh.
like snorkeling. She took them
So fun.
because this opened up you know, like
Yeah.
a conversation for her to have new experiences with her parents.
Mhm.
So I feel like the boxes, the kits are like a starter for you to reimagine conversations with people around you and
Yeah.
just have fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like literally simply have fun. So it could be you sitting doing something fun, you know, trying something out, getting that new imaginative spark. Like 10 saal pehle kuch karte the when we were small and you wanted to just go back to it, find some
Yeah.
excitement in life.
Yeah.
Right? Or it could be you and your husband doing something together. It could be you and your child doing something together.
Yeah.
It could be you and your parents, you and your whole fam, you and your group of friends doing something together. So
That's really cool.
it's just so much more fun when you're doing something, right? Because that's also something that develops a core memory.
Yeah.
Again, like going, why is doing something fun together very, very exciting? And because how this core memory is developed is when all your 5 senses are at play.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you're doing, all your 5 senses are at play.
Yeah.
So automatically you start developing much deeper memories as compared to you drinking with your friend
Yeah.
or you know, having a
dinner,
meal.
yeah.
Because very, very few senses are actually involved in doing those things.
Mhm.
That's the scientific side of stuff. But I just want to also sound cool.
No, you're very, 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 very cool. So now we've already heard, like subtly, we've heard one challenge that you've already faced with Buka Workshop, right? Because COVID mein chalu kiya, and of course, by the end of COVID, everybody was like, peace, don't want to learn anymore. And then you pivoted and you started Kidster,
Yeah.
which I think organically was a great transition, but also ended up being more fun because the more I hear you talk about it, the more you light up. It's really, it feels like you found your purpose at Kidster.
I think I do.
है ना? But as a founder, a lot of people talk about, you know, what you should do or how you should, like, you know, why you should become a founder, or 3 things that a founder should keep in mind. As people in general, we tend to focus on the successes. We love to talk about failures here because I think failures are more in number and they teach you more and don't get talked about enough when we talk about entrepreneurship or founders. So what are the 3 things that you would say? Give us like one failure example that we have, right? About Book a Workshop, which you pivoted. Give us 2 more examples that you faced.
I feel Book a Workshop was not really a failure. It was more instantaneous, more like catching on to the moment. But if I have to go like backtrack and give you 3 actual failures, I think one big failure that I learned early on was to not have your head in the clouds.
पैर जमीन पे रखो.
Underground ho jao yaar. Because I think I started my first startup when I was 18. Again,
Oh.
lack of things to do.
Hey,
I
you
think.
missed that. You didn't tell us about that. This architecture uncle के बारे में तो बता दिया.
हाँ जी. So first year college actually. After Sotheby's happened and stuff, came back from New York and I'm like
doe-eyed and hopeful.
Yeah, everything, right? Like I'm the only person on this planet who has this idea.
Of course.
18-year-old, what do you expect? And I literally like I wanted to, because nobody in India at that time was doing something like this. That's what I thought. Again, no market research, nothing. I'm like, मैंने नहीं देखा, which means ये तो कोई कर ही नहीं
रहा. Correct. हमने नहीं देखा मतलब है ही नहीं. You can't see me.
Exactly. That was literally that. It was like a turkey putting their head on the ground and no one can see me, that kind of thing. But I started this thing called Fitur.
Okay.
Which was supposed to be an app which was an app for artists and people wanting to buy art.
Okay.
Right? So it was like a matchmaker of sorts, but also
the
a
Tinder
social
for
media.
Art.
Like a Tinder for art and artists, and also like a LinkedIn for artists. Like an Instagram and LinkedIn.
ओए होए होए. इतने सारे combined.
हाँ, यानी सब कुछ एक ही में डाल दो.
हाँ.
But
हमें सब कुछ चाहिए.
हाँ, like all types of artists could come. They could like have their own profile. They could put up their artwork. People wanting to consume art and wanting to buy art could look at these profiles, could book the artist, could like, you know, buy the art, could do like multiple things. So that was like the big idea at 18. I'm like, I'm going to be the next Zuckerberg, like right here.
Unicorn right here.
Hell yeah. तभी तो unicorn word ही पता नहीं था.
You know what? I love the word unicorn because they're fictional. And I
Yeah.
love the fact that, unicorns are fictional. So I'm just like, I always tell myself, legs on the ground because unicorns are fictional. Relax.
My dad actually, because in the past 3 years, the word
Mhm.
unicorn has been
Mhm.
used so much more than startups. I
Yeah.
think at this point of time, like how 5 years ago startup was like the buzzword,
Yeah.
or 10 years ago startup was the buzzword. Unicorn became the buzzword like 3 to 4 years ago.
हाँ.
I was telling my dad about
Hmm.
unicorns. I'm like, Dad, मुझे भी unicorn बनना है.
Hmm.
And this is like, he's like, unicorn? That was a big check for me, a reality
हाँ.
check for me. Like, unicorn क्या होता है? एक सींग का घोड़ा?
That's true. That is so true.
I think that like you have your own like fictional creature. I
Yeah.
have my dad's statement saying
That's
एक
true.
सींग का घोड़ा. He broke it for me. I'm like, हाँ, that
आ
makes
जाओ
more
ज़मीन
sense.
पे.
Exactly. So yeah, that's the app I wanted to build,
Uh-huh.
right?
And Fitur.
Fitur,
Mhm.
yep. Because Fitur actually means craze, right? Like
Mhm.
craze towards something
Mhm.
and passion. I mean, I literally spent like 2-3 lakh rupiah, created the app and everything, never launched it.
Why?
Because again, like I said, right, very fast at execution,
हाँ.
but very fast also to understand this is not going to work.
Oh. So सिर्फ 2-3 लाख रुपए चलाए, not
सिर्फ
more.
2-3 लाख, ज़्यादा नहीं. But I think उस time पे ना, when I
Mhm.
saw the failure in front of my eyes, that was the first time I witnessed failure. Because इसके पहले तो यार life was easy ना, get good grades, get into a good college, be
Chill.
good at sport, be good at music, acing your debates, acing your elocutions, acing whatever, and that was easy.
Yeah.
Right, that came in easy, and I feel that failure led to one of my biggest life lessons, and that is to be able to deal with failure.
Yeah.
Because
Accepting it is a massive,
Yeah. I
massive
think
feat.
first is accepting failure, accepting that there is a certain defeat that has happened,
Mhm.
but also understanding, realizing that this is all situational,
Correct.
and this is not the end of life.
It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, this is not the end of the world. This is not the end of life. This is not the last thing you'll do on this planet.
Yeah.
Right? And I feel that learning has been one of the biggest learnings of my life, because like most people on this planet, probably I have failed many more times than I've succeeded.
Yeah.
But I feel the more failures I've gotten in life, you can only fail if you're doing something, right? At the end of the day, if you're not doing anything, you're never going to fail in life. You're in a nice, safe spot, and you're going to die boring.
Exactly. And you're never going to succeed because unless
never
you're
gonna
willing
succeed.
to fail, you're never going to succeed because you're not
Exactly.
doing anything.
Exactly. So I feel like even today, if I've made a major loss, or if I have miscalculated something, I don't go into my shell,
That's
which
nice.
I used to
Okay.
earlier. I used to be very bad at taking feedback. I
Yeah.
used to be very bad at failing.
Yeah.
Extremely. Like I would go into this shell for like days. And I'll be like, मेरे साथ ये कैसे हो गया? I'm the star child.
हाय हाय ये हो गया.
मैं कभी कैसे गलत कर सकती हूँ, right?
Correct.
And today I'm like, अच्छा गलत हो गया. Okay,
Okay.
let's sit down, chalk out क्यों
क्यों
हुआ,
क्या हुआ? आगे से
Let's
better
figure
करेंगे.
out. Yeah, let's figure it out.
Nice.
And I feel that was one of my biggest failures in life at 18, but that's also one of my biggest life lessons. The second big failure that I got was when Fitur actually, since I had to pivot now, I mean, when company to chalu kar di, पूरे गांव भर में ढिंडोरा पीट दिया, 18-year-old having a company and all that. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा इसका.
Correct.
पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, right? How do I run a business here?
Yeah.
I mean, a business actually means that you earn money. You're not only putting money. So we transitioned even there from being like an artist promotion company to a promotion company. That
Acha.
promotion company did social media
अच्छा.
because that's what I was learning. That's what I
Of
knew how
course.
to do. I'm like, ठीक
जो
है, social
कुछ नहीं
media
तो जो
करो.
पता है वो करो.
Exactly. Social media करो, videos बनाओ, ads बनाओ, वो सब करने लग गए, right? So we were literally like a media company.
Yeah, like a media
agency.
company.
And all of that was going good, right? I mean, we had like some crazy like 30, 35 clients. I was some 20-ish at that time. We had like a good team. We had a nice set of things happening. I was working 16 hours a day.
Oh,
and
wow.
Yeah. I would be like, bro, don't talk to me. I don't have time.
मेरे पास time नहीं है.
Yeah, I'm like, I'm going to be the next big media house and
Of course.
blah, 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 right?
Zuckerberg से media house, no problem. Not very far.
I'm like, media ही है. And we were, I mean, at 20, I mean, you were getting invited to cool parties, cool launches.
बस ना,
all those
you've
things.
arrived.
Yeah. every Instagram story of mine had something cool happening.
That's the dream.
Yeah, and I think the second failure
Mhm.
that happened for me was when I went for this meeting.
Mhm.
Again, like after 30-35 people, आपको पता है अगर आपके 35 clients हैं, you've pitched to at least 100,
Correct.
right? After 100 pitches, you go and you give your 101st pitch.
Huh.
It's the same thing
Yeah,
all
it's
over
the
again.
same spiel.
Social media करेंगे सर, post करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, whatever big client it could be, but it's the same stuff every time, right?
Correct.
And it could be the biggest person, but biggest company, but they will switch if there's somebody offering same stuff for 10,000 cheaper. And even though we
Because
got
then
that client,
it became commoditized. Sorry, that's why
Yeah.
it didn't really matter at that point then.
right? Like ये चार चीजें,
हाँ.
ये चार दिन,
Correct.
ये इसका rate है, ये, and it's pretty
Yeah.
much the same thing. Like I didn't have that. I didn't even feel excited anymore to go to these meetings. In fact, I would avoid these meetings at all costs. And I'm like, यार बहुत bore मारता है. But anyway, I was there. I got the deal at minus 10,000.
Mhm.
And on my way back from that client, all I could think about was यार मैंने अगर 10,000 कम में इसको दे दिया, कल इसको कोई मिलेगा 20,000 कम में देगा, मेरे से शायद better कर दे कुछ काम. I'm not doing. I don't have an IP here.
Yeah.
I'm not doing something unique here. In Bombay, every second building, in the same building also, every second flat has like some kind of a media house doing
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Chota, mota, bada, kaisa bhi. But कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही रहे हैं. Like it's Bombay at the end of the day.
Yeah.
What are you doing? And in my mind, I'd already failed. Because what was I doing? Those big life questions started like popping in front of my eyes like that.
Spirituality
Who
number
are
one.
you? What are you doing on this
What
planet?
is your purpose?
If you die in the next 50 years,
Will anybody remember you?
what would you have achieved in life?
अरे
And I'm like, यार ये तो क्या ही कर रही हूँ मैं, right? There was no impact that I was creating. Like today, if somebody would remember me, let's say even if I was in so many countries, so many, what kind of lives am I impacting? एक ad बनाने से किसी का life better नहीं हो रहा है. आज वो याद रखेंगे, कल भूल जाएंगे. It's a 30-second lifespan that I am not even creating an impact with.
Yeah.
So my mind flipped again and I'm like, boss, ये तो नहीं करना. Again, my instinct kicked in, quality kicked in.
I love it.
And I'm like, यार ये तो नहीं करना. So I took a call
Snapped
right
out of
there.
it.
Yeah. I spoke to my dad. I remember very, very well. I had this call with him. And I'm like, Dad, I don't think I'm creating an impact here. And I don't want to do this anymore. He's like, बंद कर दे.
Papa, petition to also be adopted daughter.
I love my father for this. He will not even ask me like the reason. He feel नहीं ठीक लग रहा है ना, छोड़ दे. Like with my mother, it's like a debate.
Correct.
Right?
Like क्यों नहीं करना है?
हाँ, because
आगे क्या करेगी?
Exactly.
Obviously, she also comes from a protective side where she's worried about you and concerned.
And I love that about her.
Yeah.
Because then with her, it's like she's like a sounding board to me,
Yeah.
right?
She also
Am I
pushes
making
you.
the right decision?
Correct.
But with my father, it's like, नहीं करना छोड़ दे. Doesn't feel good? Leave it right now. It's okay. Don't worry about it. देख लेंगे. जो है देख लेंगे. Like I love that. I love that confidence that he gives me. You know? So I made that decision right there. The same day in that cab से घर call के बाद I made that decision.
Wow.
And I'm like, हो गया. I wrote an email to all my employees. I wrote an email to all my people saying that in 1 month we'll be shutting this down. I handed over all the accounts to all my friends who had agencies and everything. I let go of everybody.
Yeah.
And that was my other second big failure, where again turned into a big life lesson.
Yeah.
But second big failure. But in that instant, I'm like, करना है तो अभी करना है. So
हाँ,
same
there's
day.
no point dragging it on.
हाँ, I didn't want to think about it because it didn't feel right anyway. So I'm like, I shut everything down, and I'm from Nasik, by the way, originally.
Yeah.
So I went back home.
Okay.
And then I left for New York again.
Oh, of course. New York calling.
Oh,
Kyun nahi?
yeah. I think New York has been like a very
Any
big part of
reason
my
to
life.
go back, no, to New York?
I swear. That was definitely. I'm like, I'm going to find myself. So I'm going to.
ये eat pray love situation हो रहा है अभी. उसके बाद बाली गई ये मत बताना.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. न्यूयॉर्क में मस्त 6 महीना रह गई मैं वापस. I'm like,
oh ho.
I would just wake up every day with a notebook, wander the streets, go to every part, every gully kucha of New York, sit down, write some ideas down. So by the end of it, I had like some 100-200 ideas written down of what I'd like to do with my life and what would be the next thing that I pursue. I feel that also gave me a lot of time to think for the first time in my life, where there was no direction that I was following. There was no schedule. Like, I wasn't waking up and I knew what I wanted to do with my day. That was
Correct.
not happening for the
Yeah.
first time.
You have to figure it out.
Yeah. And I had, I could wake up, start walking on one street, and I didn't care where I was going. I was just walking in some random direction. So,
Like a good kind of reflection of where your life was at, right?
yeah,
You had no direction at that time.
I had no direction. I didn't know what I wanted to do.
Mhm.
And for a kid who's always known what she wanted to do and went with it full force, whether
Yeah.
it could pivot at any moment, but
Yeah.
like that full force, you know, was there
Yeah.
with that thing.
Suddenly kind of taking the pedal off.
Yeah, and I'm like, it's okay. I'm not going to do something. I'm
Mhm.
just going to wander around, go to every museum possible, talk to the randomest people, have random conversations. And I think that opened me up to the biggest education of my life.
Mhm.
And that is to be able to observe.
Yeah.
Just not have an agenda and being able to plainly, simply observe people around you, things around you, do things around you without an agenda. And
That's
again, like, my parents are
incredible.
supportive enough to do
Yeah.
that for me.
Yeah, but it also, it's incredible because a lot of people lack the ability to observe. They may listen,
Hmm.
but most people want to talk more.
Yeah.
And observing people, you learn so much. It's incredible how much you can learn.
Yeah.
Just not creepy people stalking or
No,
watching,
not
just
like-
like general observation.
But I feel like it does a lot more than
Mhm.
people can imagine,
Mhm.
because especially solo traveling,
Yeah.
right? Because you have nobody else there.
Yeah.
It's just you and everything that's around you,
Mhm.
and that's it, right? So it gives you so much more headspace to
Yeah.
think, to ideate, to just let the universe in, if I have to be really spiritual about it.
Are.
But
Eat, pray, love. We're in the pray section
full
currently.
on. Not praying on people, but praying.
So funny, yeah. I love it.
I think that was
Nice.
my second big failure.
Mm-hmm.
And that again led me to
Mm-hmm.
be more accepting of
And
it's
observe,
okay. It's
yeah.
okay to fail. It's okay to, you know,
Mm.
not be okay.
Mhm.
It's okay to not be okay.
Yeah.
That was like big
Mm-hmm.
there. And I think the third thing that I failed at was building a product.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Elaborate.
So when Booker Workshop
Mhm.
pivoted from being a platform to a company that makes kits, and that happened in the 2020 June we started this. Jan 22 is when we decided to pivot, and as Booker Workshop only, we pivoted into DIY kits.
Okay.
Now I had no idea how to create a product in my life,
Yeah.
because all
we've
I've
never done
seen
it
is
before.
services.
हाँ, service किया है.
मेरे मॉम डैड ने स्कूल बनाया, बट
हाँ.
इट इज स्टिल अ
It's a
सर्विस.
service, exactly.
माय
वो घर थोड़ी लेके जाएंगे स्कूल.
exactly like, okay, I take this. नहीं,
Thank you
but,
very much, भैया.
but the idea was कि मैंने कभी पहले प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाया था, and I was like, when we pivoted, so what we did is we became a platform for
Mhm.
DIY kits.
Mhm.
तो हम लोग ने दूसरे काफी DIY kit वालों को ऑनबोर्ड करा
Nice.
कि चलो मेरे को आता नहीं है,
हाँ
मेरे
तो
को
आप
पता है,
बनाओ और
हम बेचेंगे.
बेचेंगे.
मेरे को आता है बेचना, मैं बेच दूंगी,
हाँ.
कुछ भी बेच दूंगी.
हाँ.
मेरे DIY kits on board करा, and see, because I've been a big art and craft person myself, right, all my life, so I could see so many flaws with that product. So we did give them a lot of feedback. We got a lot of feedback from the customers also.
कि
And
ऐसा है
हाँ
वैसा.
ये है वो
हाँ.
है, कि अभी जैसे लाइव क्लास करते थे
हम्म.
हर बॉक्स के साथ में कुछ लोग,
हम्म.
तो उसमें क्या होता था कि अगर 10 बॉक्सेस नहीं बिके तो लाइव क्लास नहीं होगी.
Correct.
They'll wait for the time where those 10 boxes are sold, then they do a live class with
हाँ
me.
तो then till then you have to wait कि मतलब
Exactly.
किट का क्या ही करे.
So I'm like, यार ये तो इंस्टेंट होना चाहिए कि जिस
हाँ.
टाइम मैं अगर सुबह 3 बजे बैठ के करना चाहूँ, मुझे I should have that freedom to
Do it yourself is yourself, na? It's
Yeah.
not time bound to you, to anybody else.
Correct. So every little characteristic of a Kitster's kit today was actually a feedback that we'd gotten from people.
Nice.
Feedback that we had created in-house for
हाँ.
ourselves.
हाँ.
We'd given it to everybody.
But they didn't do anything
No one
with
took
it.
it. Not even one single DIY kit person took that advice.
Wow.
And then I'm like, yaar,
तुम
ही
छोड़ो, हम ही
लेते
बना
हैं
लेते हैं।
हाँ आई मीन यही करना है तो हम ही
तुम
बना
छोड़ो,
लेते हैं।
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा।
कैसे कैसे हिम्मत जुटा के आई
हाँ।
मेड माय फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट।
हाँ।
पहले 2-3 बनाए, एक बड़ा सिली सा था। वन वाज दिस, वी डिड इट इन कोलैबोरेशन विद एन आर्टिस्ट बिकॉज़ आई एम लाइक चल इसको कुछ तो पता होगा तो इनके साथ बनाते हैं। तो हम लोग ने एक बनाया था एनवेलप डेकोरेशन किट। एनवेलप
Okay.
डेकोरेशन किट। दूसरा
Okay.
था एक वो थोड़ा ठीक ठाक था, दैट वाज लाइक अ टिश्यू पेपर बॉक्स का
Okay.
मौज पौज टाइप का चीज था।
Okay.
और एक और कुछ थर्ड था, मुझे याद भी नहीं क्या
Okay.
करा था। ये 3 बॉक्सेस लॉन्च करे,
हम्म।
मिन्नतें कर कर के बेची थी लोगों को कि भाई फ्री में ले लो
ले लो।
कुछ तो कर लो इसके साथ में। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर 1 साल तक वो किट्स बिके नहीं।
Ay,
It was so
hay.
like so random and so like there was
Yeah.
nothing to it, right? And then finally in the November of
Mhm.
that year, I had this random conversation. I reconnected with a friend of mine from school. She was working at Urban Platter, and I went over to say hi, and I met the then boyfriend, and now uska pati hai abhi, but uska then boyfriend.
Then
and-
boyfriend मुझे लगा ex हो गया.
नहीं, got married. But I was having these conversations
Yeah.
with them, and we were like यार एक sushi kit type का कुछ बनाना चाहिए. Sushi आजकल बड़ा trend में है.
Hmm.
So that was the first real kit
Hmm.
that he and I kind of made together,
Nice.
and that flew off the shelf. And how?
See?
So I feel all of
You
that.
found your product market fit?
Yeah, I feel it took us for 1 year of failing DIY kits to be able to build the first right DIY kit. And then there was no stopping us. So within 6 months, we built like 100.
Wow.
And then we went down from 100, back down to 70, then went back up to 80, and like, we keep doing
It's a
that
process.
now.
It's a
Hanji.
process.
So I feel that was like the third big failure for me to be able to build
Nice.
my first product.
Nice. But see, that's what, right? From failure to failure to failure, that's how you end up at success eventually. Because otherwise, where are you going to get these learnings? And who's going to tell you? And how are you
Correct.
going to learn? How are you going to
Correct.
make that ultimate product? There's no other way.
Exactly.
Just gotta
Pretty
do.
much. So like if you would have asked me about 2 years ago,
Hmm.
I wasn't very okay with, all the failures that I've gone through,
Hmm.
but today I am. I'm like,
But because of those, you're here, no?
exactly.
Because of those, you're here talking about Kidster and lighting up your face while you do it. Love it. Now that Simba has joined us for this last section, I just want to quickly go into it because this is something that every guest has to answer. Because finally, this is what we're doing, yeah, at Fin Cocktail. We're trying to see how different people manage their money because we know that there is no one path to this ultimate goal of being able to manage your money. So how do you manage your money, my friend?
I've actually been very bad at it for a very long time
Uh-huh.
because I think there was a big emotional connection that I used to have with money
Mm-hmm.
in the very wrong sense of it.
Mm-hmm.
See, because knowing my journey, I've failed too many times, right? Which means that I've lost too much money over the years. I've lost way more than I've made,
Mm-hmm.
even though it's not huge billions. And I've not absconded with that money. But I still have lost more than I've gained,
Yeah.
right? So for me, again, like not money was a very, very emotional part of my life in that sense,
Mm-hmm.
where I wasn't able to earn it while my parents have been killing it all their life, right? At growing their money, making their business up and this and that. And since you're a part of a business family and you've only seen business all your life, what happens is that connection also, you start relating money to self-confidence. You
Correct.
start relating money to your own
everything.
skill, to everything, right? So the more you personally grow your money or the more money that your business makes, the better you are at something is the usual notion of it.
It gets associated as the ultimate metric.
Correct. So I feel that that switch for me happened 2 years ago. Again, a year ago, actually, not even 2 years, a year ago, where I actually sat myself down one day and I'm like, what am I scared of? Failing.
Yeah.
तो I have
वो तो
failed
हो गया है.
already. हाँ, हो चुका है वो.
हाँ.
Money is a commodity and it needs to be looked at like that. It does not have to do with my like I don't have to judge
Self-worth.
myself
Correct.
with the money aspect of it. And I feel from the time I've been able to talk to myself about money like that, I've been able to grow my money much better. I've been able to take financial decisions with more
Practically.
stability. instead of being very emotional about it. And a big part of that has also been my husband, because I've been able to have that conversation with him.
Correct.
I've been able to open up about money and how I feel about it to him. And I feel like because of that, I feel that I'm in a more stable space in life. I feel more open. I feel more confident
That's
with
great.
money.
That's great.
Hanji.
So two things quickly. I love that you have a conversation with your husband about money, because according to me, as partners, it's very important to discuss money, because it can be an issue. If you
Correct.
discuss it, it doesn't remain an issue. Especially in today's day and age where women are also earning their equal partners in the relationship, it's important to discuss how you will manage your money, because finally it's your life that you are planning for.
Correct.
And second thing is that money is emotional for a lot of people.
Yeah.
It's not easy to take decisions about money after detaching yourself from it, because eventually it does connect to your self-worth ना, कि मतलब तुम्हारी value क्या है, that is kind of measured in money.
Correct.
But it's not like that. It's just the value that you are providing at that particular time.
Correct.
And it's okay. It's fine. So it's incredible what you've been through, and I'm very, very happy where you're at.
Thank you.
How do you manage it? As in, like give me percentages, for example. Where are you invested?
So what I did is, firstly, I detached myself emotionally. Because I was able to do that, I was actually able to read the figures and not ignore them anymore. And because I was able to read the figures, I was able to actually ration it out.
Nice.
You know, okay, theek hai, this is the amount that I'm making right now. This is what I can get together. Now, since this is my budget, then I started putting it down. Acha, what are the things that are important to me? What are the things that I want to spend on? See, because like you said, just taking a note from what you said, something has value only when you put value to it, right? So I think again, like a year ago, I had that flip where again, no offense to anyone, but I just stopped putting value to brands. I stopped putting value to things that didn't have functionality in my life.
Correct.
Right. So once I made that switch, I was able to bring down my living costs by a lot.
ये लो, ये हम सिखाते हैं और आप कर रहे हो.
बड़ा टाइम लगा है यहाँ तक पहुँचते बट आई फील बिकॉज वो इमोशन निकल गया, फंक्शनैलिटी आ गई, वैल्यू आ गया. ये तीन चीजों की वजह से आई वाज एबल टू मेक दोस एक्सेल शीट्स, आई वाज एबल टू सिट डाउन, राइट. जैसे मम्मी हमेशा बोलती थी, बेटा चोपड़ा लिखो. I got this app. That was like a big step for me. I downloaded an app and every expense I ever made, it could be a 20 rupee expense, but वो मैं लिख देती हूँ consciously. So I feel like consciously I'm aware of where I'm spending, what I'm spending. On that app I could segregate के ये इतना budget है for these kind of things that I put value to in my life.
Yeah.
Right? Like I want to be able to eat healthy. Right? So I know groceries are very, very important. And the kind of things that come into the house. Right?
Correct.
Like today, if I want to spend double on my oil, I'm okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Because that's something
that is important to you.
That's important because I want to be able to live a healthy life, right?
So you don't want to go ahead and then spend that kind of money into 10 for your medical expenses.
Exactly.
So might as well spend that much now. That's my rationale.
Like organic vegetables lao, ढंग का तेल lao, basic चीजें आपकी sort कर लो. Second one is convenience for me, right? के I want to be able to, like, I put value to convenience. Convenience in the sense ke what are the tasks in my entire day which are important to me, which
Correct.
I want to do personally, right? What are the things, what are my life goals, what are the things that are important to me, and then what are the things that are not important to me at all. So I felt like if I have too many clothes in life, right, it becomes like a big headache for me. उसको मैनेज करो, उसको धुलवाओ, उसको ड्राई क्लीनिंग में डालो,
कौन करेगा?
उसको कौन करेगा, right? So I'm like, I need clothes as a functional part of my life. I don't put value to clothes.
Yeah.
Very, very simple example. Again, just boiling it down to that, right? So similarly, I was like, a lot of my expenses came from my cars. Again, like growing up in Nasik, we had the luxury of getting like crazy cars and doing all those things. So when I was in Bombay, I'm like, I don't need a crazy car. I need a functional car.
उसके लिए roads चाहिए चलाने.
Exactly. अभी तो गाड़ी की भी जरूरत नहीं है, honestly.
Like,
मुझे
रास्ता चाहिए. मुझे रास्ता चाहिए currently.
So I think major split वही था कि I first figured out what I want to put value on, and those are the things I was ready to spend on. The things that I didn't put value on, I didn't want to spend on anymore. And that's how I was able to bring my living cost down overall. So once I brought my living cost down, then I had money to spend, right? Then that is when I started investing. So now 50% of my money goes into investments.
Yay!
Because
clap,
I was able to
clap for you.
So we invest in multiple things. We've got stocks that we invest in. We've got a little gold and stuff that we invest in, and just little parcels here and there.
Nice.
So I feel like because I've been able to bring that cost down, that is when I had the money to do
Correct.
everything else.
Yeah.
And then that's a commitment that I've made to myself every month. कि भाई इतना तो जाना ही है. So as soon as the month starts, the first money that I bring out is the investments.
Nice.
I'm like, ये पहले निकाल दो, and then the fixed expenses.
Yeah.
ये भी निकाल.
Of course.
So once that is done, then whatever little money I have left,
उसमें जी लेंगे.
फिर हाँ, उसमें करो अपना time pass. And अगर आप genuinely, if you boil it all down, right, इतना पैसा नहीं लगता है.
नहीं लगता है.
You can have the best life.
Yeah.
Like today also, my husband and I, we travel 3 times a year.
Yellow.
2 trips we take abroad. 1 trip we take locally for my birthday.
Yeah.
We do all those things. We take care of a dog, which you know how expensive that is.
Do not make me cry. बड़ा महंगा है यार कुत्ता मेरा.
I swear. I think अपना whims and fancies तो side में ही रह जाते हैं.
Yeah. It's just his spa and his
getting his nails done, making sure
buffed.
all his treats are in place.
His food is organic.
Yeah, I know that's big. Yeah, all home cooked meals 3 times. No pedigree, no nothing.
अरे पूछो नहीं.
But
Anyway.
Anji, but yeah, I feel that was like the journey there.
Nice.
And now I'm in a place
You're
where
in a good space.
Yeah, I'm in a decent space. Like I'm obviously not where I want to be, and
Yeah.
nobody's ever going to be. You always want to grow more,
Correct.
do more, and that is the best place to be, I feel.
Yeah, I agree. 100%.
Yeah, but I feel like even though I may not have much control over the outside circumstances for what I'm doing at work, because I do take a lot of risks. So I feel on the home front, I feel very secure, because I know that this is, अगर मेरा बिजनेस ऐसे नहीं चला तो भी मेरे को इतना ही लगता है टू सर्वाइव, राइट? सो वो एक सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी हो जाता है.
करेक्ट. ऑटोमेटिकली यू हैव रिड्यूस्ड योर लाइक दैट पीस ऑफ योर लाइफ.
या
where you know कि इतने में मैं चला लूंगी. That's not a big deal.
So I automatically start taking more risks. Right? Some may work, some may not work. But I'm not constantly worried and scared कि भाई ये रिस्क तो ले लिया है पर अब ये नहीं चला तो मेरे I should have the money to pay for this, right, at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And I do have that money then.
Yeah.
So I feel I can take better risks if I'm secured on that front.
100%.
I feel emotionally I've become more stable as a person because I'm able to take care of my finances. I'm able to take control.
Correct.
More than take care. I know exactly where the money is going. So I don't feel lost. अरे मेरे पास starting में तो इतना पैसा था.
कहाँ गए?
कहाँ चला गया?
10,000
ही कैसे बैलेंस है मेरे पास?
कहाँ चला गया? तुम ही नहीं उड़ा है.
Exactly.
What do you mean by कहाँ चला गया? It irks me when somebody says he's like यार मुझे पता ही नहीं यार मेरा पैसा कहाँ जाता है. Excuse me, बराबर पता है. You just don't want to control it. Exactly.
But
anyway.
That's been like
so nice. This is amazing that you've made this journey, learned so much from your failures, built this amazing company that provides joy and magic, and you're also taking care of your finances. You're like, oh, ultimate guest, ultimate, too good.
But again, like a decade. Took me a decade to be able to get to this point.
Yeah, it takes a long time, right?
Yeah.
It takes a long time, and it also, of course, takes a lot because we are privileged in that sense where you had those kind of supportive parents. You didn't have financial liabilities because of them, etc. It's a lot of privilege that we come from, and the fact that you're doing something with this privilege is amazing. That you're providing joy. I love it. Let's go to Majja is best. I'm going to leave you with one last question. What is next for you? What is upcoming? If we can see a little bit of a glimpse.
There is so much, you have no idea.
Yeah, but कुछ तो बता दो. Little bit.
So Kidsters is going to be quite crazy in the coming 2
Yes!
years. We've got some massive
Yeah.
plans.
Guys, check it out right now.
But yeah, we're redoing the packaging now. We're redoing a lot of things. So in terms of the product, it's going to be much more exciting, much more products. But overall, I feel we're experimenting a lot at this point of time,
Mm-hmm.
and we're expanding a lot at the same time, which is a very tricky space to be, but
Yeah.
really fun space because there's so much going on all the time. So I
Interesting.
feel like you'll see us in at least 5 different countries in the next 2 years.
Ooh.
You will see us at a lot of cafes. So when you go to a cafe, now you will
Kidsta.
have something to do.
Other
Yeah.
than just sit and drink
Sit and
coffee.
sip. Yeah, like you can actually do something cool.
That's
You
very
might
cool.
see us in airplanes
Oh,
with
bless
your
your soul.
long flights and something to do in
Yeah.
those long flights. You will also see us in a lot of different stores, in quick commerce,
Oh.
anywhere and everywhere where people are getting bored and need some inspiration in life and some fun in life. Maybe even in a vending machine, actually.
That's a very cool idea. That's amazing.
Like
Chotu
imagine
kids.
you go to a WeWork, you have a vending machine right there,
Yeah.
and you're like, the vending machine says bore ho raha hai. And you're like ting, and you have a
Sure.
box of joy right there.
Nice.
So you sit down with your coffee for 10 minutes, do something fun, get inspired,
Again, and
and
then
go back to work
yeah.
and kill it.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Nidhi. This was
Thank
fantastic. This was
you.
full majja. I'm telling you, I'm going to call this podcast majja.
Go for it. I love it. I love it. Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm going to have you do one last thing for us.
Mhm.
Tell those beautiful people out there who are watching this
Mhm.
to like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, this girl I love. Absolutely. You have to like, you have to share this because this is so much fun.
Yeah, this was amazing.
Yeah,
And go buy a Kidstar DIY kit.
Oh,
Go.
yeah, please. Go right now. You need this. Trust me. And subscribe. Don't forget because she's got some insane content coming in. All right.
Aw. Thank you. Thank you so much. This was
course.
amazing. Thank you.
I love this.
Yeah. Guys, by the way, this is the first time we're meeting and it just doesn't seem like it.
I swear.
So incredible.
I feel like I've known you for like
है ना?
at least like a few years.
Yeah, मुझे भी लग रहा है ऐसा थोड़ा सा. On some level, spiritual level. Eat, pray, love. Thank you so much, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. हमारी बकवास तो चलती रहेगी. Thanks, guys.